Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're in Williams at the Williams Motel and Shady Caravan Park again, on our way to Denmark. Denmark, what a beautiful little part of the world. As you can see today, I'm not wearing a Mad Dog shirt, I'm wearing a Craig's Cabin shirt. If you like, you know, Hoops, my mate, Hooper's Mayhem Aussie style, if you like his channel, you'll like Craig's. It's the same style, that sort of survivalist sort of stuff. Check him out. For now, let's roll the intro. Now, normally we would have turned west at Mount Barker to go to Denmark, but we came a little bit south, maybe 10 k's south to Narrikup. And this is the local cricket club. I came to see this when we did Albany, Mount Barker. A couple of people told us about this cricket club. Look at all this, all these bats were donated to build the fence. If you look over there at that's so that the batsmen don't get distracted, those boards. Cricket bats there, another one here at the other end. Yeah, really quite amazing. And if you came here during a game, there's a little club right here. You'll be able to come in here and have a beer, watch a bit of cricket. I forgot to mention, they estimate they need about 2,500 bats to do the whole boundary fence. So far they've got about 425. So I'll leave a link to their Facebook page in the description. If you've got an old bat that you'd like to donate, just get in contact with them. They'll be very, very happy to hear from you. And we'll make the code word for that one, bat. And now we're at the Denmark Visitors Centre, just at the northern end of town. We'll make the code word for here the same as all the information centres. And now we're at the Valley of the Giants, about to do the treetop walk. But here's another part of the Bibbulmun track. I've showed you that in so many videos. It's the track, the walking track from Perth to Albany. And this is the entry to the treetop walk. We're going to head up there now. And now we're at the beginning of the walk. This was built in 1996 with the idea of people could see the forest without destroying it walking around. I believe there was one young bloke lost his life here when they were building it, so always give him a bit of thought when you come here. But look at this, guys, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, unfortunately I'm not allowed to put the drone up here. They said I can at the end of the day, but that's like an hour and a half away and we've got so much to show you. But we'll see what happens. But guys, this is well worth the visit. You can see Janet behind me here. This thing swings, this bridge, but it's safe. Like I said, it's been here since 1996, but it's like being on board a ship. Well, that was unfortunate, we couldn't put the drone up. I had all these shots planned, but they're the rules. We'll make the code word Treetops. Now, all along the road here, there's little art galleries like this. We've got a lot to see, so we're not going to stop at every one, but you could spend a whole day easily between here and Denmark. And this is the Bow Bridge Roadhouse. Once you get back on the highway from the treetop walk, this is right on the corner. Great little spot to stop for a beer. And it used to belong to a friend of mine's parents, and the first big trip I did hitchhiking, I ran away from home at 15 and this was I was heading here hoping they'd give me a job, but I ended up sitting across the road here for ages just looking at the place and I didn't have the guts to come in here. But that story's in the book, you'll have to get a copy of the book. And now we're just south of Bow Bridge on the way back to Denmark. We came to see Dinosaur World. But they must have had a slow day because it's 5 to 4. They're supposed to shut at 4, but that's all right. I've heard such great things about this, guys. You can come and hold snakes and lizards and things, and there's a bit of an animal park here. So come in and have a look. And this is the Treetops Resort. Again, a little bit further south towards Denmark. What they're famous for is they've got 5 acres of gardens here. I'll put the drone up and show you. But if you want to come out and have a look, guys, please contact Kim first because they have a lot of private functions here. But if she can, she'll quite happily give you a tour through the gardens. And this is where we're staying, the Kangaroos Motel and Holiday Apartments. Beautiful little spot. And if you remember in the Norseman video, we stayed in a rammed earth motel. This is the same thing. Comfortable as anything. And the tavern's just next door. Great food, unbelievable food. We're going to have dinner in there. But what a beautiful little spot and not too expensive. Morning. Didn't get as much done as we wanted yesterday because it was forecast today for horrible storms and it did rain all night. Look at this, guys. This is what we call bad weather in Western Australia. Amazing. This is the main street of town. There's a lot to do here. All sorts of shops and tourist shops and jewellery shops and things. But it's really early in the morning and as you can see the weather, raining, but I'm still in a t-shirt. Look at this, guys. This is the Denmark River and I've shown you a few rivers around the southwest and this is quite a big river for us. Absolutely beautiful. Hopefully we'll get some better weather later on. I'll be able to put the drone up and show you properly. Where we're staying, that's the Denmark Tavern. This one's the Denmark Hotel. Beautiful old building. I've slept right here a few times. Now that sounds worse than it is. I used to travel, I always had a swag with me when I was travelling. And I used to camp wherever I could. This was straight across the road from the pub, it was easy.
Come to Denmark, it's amazing.
Surrounded by forests and nature, it's awesome.
So we were lucky enough that the Festival of Voice is happening this weekend, just one of those flukes again. And this is Bernadette, one of the volunteers, and she's going to explain to us all about the festival.
Well, I don't know if I can explain all about it, but it's on every year in Denmark in June, and it's a great place to be able to come and for everyone to sing together and listen to singing. Singing is very uplifting and very makes it good for the mental health and everything. So, yeah, if you're in Denmark or you're around, come down and join in next year.
Perfect, thank you very much. You wouldn't believe how nervous she was, guys, but that was perfect, wasn't it? This is the Butter Factory Studios Art Gallery. We're going to go in and have a bit of a look. This is the art centre. It's there's a bar inside, but this is kind of a artist co-op. They all come down here to share ideas and everything. But this whole complex there's art galleries, there's all sorts of things in here, guys. But because of the Festival of Voice, there's events going on everywhere that are closed events or paid events. So most of these places we can't get into, but when you're in Denmark, the art scene is just incredible here. And in WA, and I suppose all around the world, these small boutique breweries are becoming very popular. This is the Boston Brewery, which is a really well-known one. Let's go in and have a look. And now we're inside the brewery, and this is Michael, one of the managers. How How long have you guys been around?
So we've been around since about 2010, and yeah, we've been doing well down here in Denmark. We've got over a dozen beers for everyone to try at the moment. There's quite a few nice ones. We just released a Russian Black Imperial Stout, or Black Forest Stout, sorry. It's delightful. Come down and try it. Or just get yourself a tasting pad. Yeah.
Excellent. Well done, mate. Thank you very much.
All good.
And now we're at the Kangaroos Community Markets. This is on every Sunday. Everyone's telling us it's worth coming down and have a look. And the markets are held at one of the local schools. Look at this. Look around us. Imagine going to school here. Absolutely beautiful. That's the first time I've said that today. Absolutely beautiful. And we'll make the code word market. And this is the old Scottsdale Hall. We're on Scottsdale Road here. It's a tourist drive where you turn, leaves town. It's 34 kilometres, wineries all along it, but there's so much to see. I can't get any information on the age of this or anything, but it is a beautiful, beautiful old building, and it just shows the different areas that we go to, the different building products they've had to use when they were first starting out. But let's go down to the lake house. Oh, we'll make the code word for here, Hall. Now, this is the Pepper and Salt restaurant. Impossible to get into, and I forgot to book, of course. Look where it is. Look where we are, guys. Just gorgeous. But they put us at the wait list, and we managed to get a table. So we're going in to have the most delicious lunch. I'm going to put the camera away because it's not the place to be filming inside. But look at this, guys. Hopefully after lunch the weather will be a bit better. I can put the drone up. But for now, I'm going to go and eat. Now that really was an amazing lunch. Like world class here in Denmark. Guys, if you want to spoil yourselves when you're here, come to the Pepper and Salt. Really, really worth it. And I got nothing for saying this. All I got was a seat when they were full. They managed to get us a table, but apart from that, nothing. Absolutely delicious. Now we're at Petland and Alpaca Stud, but look at this weather. Rain's just started pouring in, so I'm not going to bother showing you. I might get in and do a bit of B-roll, but I don't want to get the camera wet. But guys, come and check this out. This whole Scottsdale tourist drive, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Can you see that rain? It's pouring. And we'll make this code word kangaroo. Morning. Just getting ready to go home. Look at this, guys. This is the veranda of our motel. The kangaroo footage I got with the drones just over there. All the kangaroos come here at certain times. Just amazing. Beautiful room. Kangaroos Motel. I can't recommend it enough, guys. Now, most of the places we stay are around $100, $150 a night, and I understand the social side of backpackers, but every now and again you want a bit of peace and quiet, and if you're paying $40, $50, $60 a night to stay in a dormitory anyway, 2 or 3 of you, a double bed, single bed, you can relax, you don't have to worry about all your gear, all your camera gear's safe, you don't have to carry it with you everywhere. Nice little break from backpackers. We just stopped to do the wrap up, then the video wrap up. Look at this, guys. Same as usual, just rubbish everywhere. And there's a bin right there. I don't understand it. Please, guys, don't just ditch your rubbish. And that was another fun weekend. Denmark, what a gorgeous little spot, and really we only showed you about maybe 20% of what there is there. The weather wasn't the best, but hopefully we gave you an idea. If you don't know what the code words are for, I'll put a link up here to the video that describes how you can win a Mavic Mini drone. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit the Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one.